Nature's Resilience, a motivational story. Once upon a time, in a serene and lush valley, there stood a tall, ancient oak tree named Oliver. Oliver was a symbol of strength and resilience, with deep roots that had weathered countless storms. His branches swayed gracefully in the breeze, and his leaves rustled soothingly, providing shade and refuge for the creatures of the forest. One summer, a severe drought gripped the valley, and the usually crystal-clear stream that meandered nearby began to run dry. The animals of the forest grew anxious, and the plants withered under the scorching sun. Oliver, too, felt the strain of the relentless heat as his leaves began to droop. But Oliver was determined not to succumb to despair. He knew the power of nature's resilience. Day by day, he sent his roots deeper into the earth, searching for hidden pockets of water. His branches reached out, creating a canopy that shielded the parched earth below from the harshest rays of the sun. He became a source of inspiration for the forest's inhabitants, a symbol of unwavering hope. One morning, as the forest creatures gathered beneath Oliver's protective branches, they noticed something miraculous. A gentle rain had begun to fall, nourishing the thirsty land. The animals danced with joy, and the plants rejoiced as they absorbed the life-giving moisture. Oliver stood tall and proud, a testament to the strength of nature and the power of resilience. His once drooping leaves now stretched toward the sky, vibrant and green. The valley began to flourish once more as life returned with a burst of color and vitality. The rejuvenation of the valley was a testament to the interconnectedness of all living beings. The animals and plants worked together, nurturing one another as they flourished in the wake of the drought. The once dry stream began to flow again, quenching the thirst of the forest's inhabitants and bringing life back to the valley. Oliver, now stronger and wiser than ever, continued to stand as a symbol of inspiration for all who encountered him. His branches became a gathering place for forest creatures, a spot where they shared stories of overcoming adversity and the beauty of nature's cycles. It was here that they learned the importance of resilience, unity, and the enduring strength of the natural world. As the seasons changed, the valley continued to thrive, each year bringing new growth and opportunities for the creatures that called it home. Oliver's legacy endured, not only in the physical sense as his branches stretched ever higher, but also in the hearts and minds of those who had witnessed his remarkable journey. The story of Oliver and the valley serves as a reminder that in times of hardship, we can find strength within ourselves and in the support of our communities. Nature's resilience is a reflection of our own potential to adapt, grow, and thrive, even in the face of the most challenging circumstances. It teaches us that, like the ancient oak tree, we too can weather the storms of life and emerge stronger, more resilient, and ready to embrace the beauty of each new season. Years passed, and Oliver continued to thrive, witnessing the ever-changing tapestry of life in the valley. He saw generations of animals come and go, and he marveled at the enduring beauty of the natural world. Each spring, he burst into a stunning display of fresh leaves, a vibrant testament to the cycle of rebirth and renewal. One day, a group of children from a nearby village ventured into the forest, guided by tales of the legendary oak tree that had withstood the test of time. As they approached Oliver, they were struck by the magnificence of the ancient tree. They sat beneath his branches, feeling a profound connection to the living history that surrounded them. The children listened eagerly as Oliver's story was shared with them, a story of resilience, unity, and the remarkable ability of nature to overcome adversity. Inspired by his story, the children made a promise to care for the forest and all its inhabitants, vowing to protect the delicate balance of life that flourished there. Over the years, the bond between the children and the forest deepened. They organized cleanup efforts, planted new trees, and learned to live in harmony with the natural world. The valley became a sanctuary not only for the creatures that called it home, but also for the people who found solace and inspiration in its embrace. Oliver, Now a wise and ancient guardian of the forest, watched with pride as the children grew into responsible stewards of the land. He knew that his legacy was not just in the strength of his branches, but in the positive impact he had on the lives of those who had come to know and love the valley. The story of Oliver, the ancient oak tree, and the valley stands as a timeless reminder of the enduring lessons that nature imparts. It teaches us that resilience, unity, and our connection to the natural world are vital to our well-being. Just as Oliver thrived through the ages, so too can we find inspiration in the world around us, nurturing our spirits and fostering a deep sense of responsibility for the planet we call home.